Hi everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today we'll be seeing how to make mushroom, paneer and veggies pizza. We'll also be making pizza sauce at home, and it came out really well. The pizza sauce as well as the pizza came out really well. So you can just try out this recipe. So let's get started. First, boil 2 tomatoes. For after 10 minutes, just remove the skin of the tomatoes. So these 2 tomatoes will be enough for 3 pizzas, 3 medium size pizza, 3 small size pizza, sorry. So then chop 1 tomato into small pieces like this. Add some olive oil, 3 teaspoon, grind 1 tomato. Take some garlic, chopped garlic, fry it for some time, then add some onion, fry it for some more time till it's get little golden brown. Now add salt as per your taste. Add some pepper powder, half teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon. Then add the chopped tomato to it. Now cook it for some time in high flame. Add chili powder 1/4 tsp. Add the tomato puree. Add some tomato sauce 2 teaspoon. Then cook until all the water evaporates from the paste. And our pizza sauce is ready. So now I am spreading all the pizza sauce on the pizza bread. The pizza dough is also made at home. So you can check out my other recipes for pizza dough. And now I am adding the mozzarella cheese on top. Now adding some paneer, veggies which I made. Just fried it, or you can say it's a tikka. You can check out the recipe in my other video. Now mushrooms I am adding. Now I am adding some onions on top. So you can add all the veggies whatever you like. You can add all of them. Now adding some more mozzarella cheese on top. Now add oregano on top. And add some chili flakes on top. Now bake it at 550 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. I have already preheated the oven for 10 minutes, and check after 10 minutes. It should be ready in 10 to 12 minutes. So mine got ready in 12 minutes. So just check if the burnt mark came already on the top, then you can just remove it to the plate and serve. So I'll give you the recipe of pizza dough as well as the paneer tikka which I made in the description box. So this tastes really delicious. So instead of me getting the pizza sauce from the market, you can make it at home immediately and get the fresh pizza sauce from home and enjoy the delicious pizza. So thank you everyone for watching.